How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover deleted messages on your Messenger app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, let's say that you've opened up your Messenger and you have mistakenly deleted a chat. And now if you want to bring back that DM, you can't actually bring back the DM itself. But what you can actually do is recover the details or the documents, that is your information of that very chat. And to do that, you will need to head over to your Facebook first. So open up your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account. After doing that, head over to the menu section on the bottom right and then tap on the settings icon on the top right. There you'll find Meta Account Center. Open that up, and if you scroll down under account settings, you'll find your information and permissions. If you tap on that, you'll get the option to download your information. So simply head over to download your information, and there you have your option to download or transfer information. You can tap on that and then select your account. Now tap on next, and what you can do is you can choose specific type of information. Since we are trying to recover the deleted messages on Messenger, we'll just head over to the specific type and choose messages. So if you scroll down, you'll find the messages option right here. Just tap on this checkbox and tap on next. Now you can simply choose to download it to your very device or transfer it to a destination. You can email that information to your mail as well, but I'll just tap on download to this device. Now you can even change, or you can even add a date here. You can add a time range, as you can see right here, last week, last month, and stuff like that. And you can choose whichever you want and then tap on create files. After you've tapped on create files, it will start requesting for the messages or the information, which will later be available right here like this, and then you can tap on the download button to download or recover the deleted messages on Messenger. And that is basically how you recover deleted messages, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.